Understanding Rack One's Brain, a guide to idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, rack one's brain. This idiom can be a little confusing, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Rack one's brain is an idiomatic expression used to describe trying very hard to remember or think of something. The word rack here means to cause extreme physical or mental pain. So, when you rack your brain, you are metaphorically causing it stress by thinking very hard. This phrase is commonly used when someone is trying to recall a memory, come up with an idea, or solve a difficult problem. The phrase, rack one's brain, has a fascinating history. The word, rack, is often confused with rack. But originally, rack was the correct word. Rack comes from an Old English word meaning revenge or punishment, while rack refers to a torture device. Over time, rack one's brain has become more popular, but both versions are correct and mean the same thing. Let's look at some examples of how to use this idiom. 1. I've been racking my brain trying to remember where I put my keys. 2. She racked her brain all night trying to solve the complex math problem. 3. He spent hours racking his brain for a creative solution to the issue. Notice how the phrase is used to express the effort put into thinking or remembering something. When using the phrase, remember, it's either rack one's brain or rack one's brain. Both are correct. Don't confuse it with wreck, which means to destroy. The phrase is always used with a possessive pronoun like my, your, his, her, etc. And there you have it. Rack one's brain is a colorful way to express the effort of thinking hard about something. Now that you understand this idiom, try using it in your conversations. It's a great way to sound more natural and fluent in English. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning!